Hello, everyone. I'm ZHAO Chuang. We are going to draw the teeth of Dakosaurus today. Dakosaurus had sharp, thick, and strong teeth. These teeth were distinctive. When it closed its mouth, its teeth, especially those of the first half, in the upper jaw and lower jaw, would interlock with each other. The tooth body also had some features. For example, there were many growth marks on the surface. Besides, like crocodiles, its teeth were wrapped by thick gums, which were rough and had many sensory pits. When we draw, we need to carefully show these structures. We start with the tooth root. Like crocodiles, the tooth roots of Dakosaurus were wrapped by thick flesh. When it closed its mouth, the teeth on its upper jaw, and those on its lower jaw were staggered. The thick flesh wrapping its tooth roots could fill the slits between teeth, leaving no gap in its mouth. From the fossil, we can see the tooth roots of Dakosaurus were wrapped unevenly. Among a row of teeth, their roots were sometimes in the upper position, and sometimes in the lower position, not leveled in a straight line. The scale-like skins wrapping the tooth roots extended to its whole face. Like modern crocodiles, its face was covered by large chap structures. On these skins, there were many trigeminal nerves, which could let the area around its mouth have sensitive touch as human fingers. In this position, we can draw another tooth. Next, let's draw the growth marks on its teeth. From the fossils of Dakosaurus, we can see that these teeth have clear growth marks, which were left during the growth of its teeth. According to these growth marks, scientists can speculate on the growth rate of the teeth of Dakosaurus. Good. Like this, we've finished drawing the teeth of Dakosaurus.